19 is a lot to get in the last over. So I said to Chris Gayle, if the first ball goes for 6, then it's a different ball game. Because now it's only 13 needed out 5. You only need 2 sixes from 5 balls. And then Carlos, my goodness.
Brathwaite is on strike. Oh, heaving to the leg side. Oh, extending that helps. 13 from 5.
And then ball number 2. He hits it so hard. It goes for 6. And then in the ball number 3, I think Carlos tries to hit it over long on, but he miscues it and it goes over mid-off. I couldn't believe it. And Dennis Ramdin is running onto the pitch, thinking it's all over. We had to call him back, man, 1 more run needed. But at that time, we all gathered, hands locked up, waiting for us to get 1 more run. And then Carlos remembered the name Brathwaite.
Carlos Brathwaite! Carlos Brathwaite! Remember the name! History for the West Indies! What a match we've had here at Eden Gardens!
Man, that was something, that was special. It's one of the best days I've had on a cricket field.